Hello, welcome to my Rubik's Cube solving video. This is the first video of 4 videos, and what I'm going to do in this video today is show you how to solve this one layer of the Rubik's Cube. And I sort of believe you need to master this first layer before you move on to solving, the middle layer and then the top layer. So I'm making 4 videos with each one concentrating on just one stage of solving a Rubik's Cube. And one other thing is that because this will be a shorter video, there won't be an ad in the middle of this video. It'll just be straight through showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's get started then. So what we're going to do is solve this white section first. So by the end of the video, all those cells there will be white, and then all those colours along there will match that middle colour there on the Rubik's Cube. So what we've got to do first then is to do the white cross. So those ones I'm pointing to there all have to be white and in the right spot. So the first one I can see there is the green, and all I need to do is turn it round. So it's white, white, green, and then I'll spin it round until I find the other green. So there we go, I've got white, white, green, and green. And the next one to do is to get the orange, so that'll be orange, orange, white, and white. And I'll find that somewhere. Okay, so there's the white and the orange there, and then I just need to spin that around. Oh, there we go. And I've got it in that position. I need to spin it up into there, so it's orange and white, and I'll spin it through there, and now I've got white, white, orange, and orange. And the next one is the blue and white, which is that one there. The blue and white's there, and I just need to spin that round, and so I've got white, white, blue, and blue. And then the last one is the red. I've got the red and white there like that, and if I just spin that through like so, you can see it's the wrong way around because I've got white, red, so I need to spin that round. And the simple way to do that is just to spin that through 90 degrees, so it's sitting there like so, or one turn of that piece of the cube, and then turn the bottom piece one turn as well, and then you've got that white and red in the right position. So put it there, white, white, red, and then we just need to spin around these ones until we get the red, red, white, white, red, red in position. You can see that white, white, red, red, white, white, blue, blue, white, white, orange, orange, and white, white, green, green. So those crosses there, and that first white cross is in position, and then it's just a matter of putting the those corners, which will have white on it, and that'll have an orange and a blue, for instance, on it, into the right position. And let's see there, we've got the red, and the red and the blue, there we go. So there we go, we've got white, blue, red, and we need to put that one down there, which is white, blue, and red, and so we'll put that, so that's where we need for the piece to go, and so we need to start the piece directly above it. And this is the first move that you need to learn for solving a Rubik's Cube, which is just a matter of turning that side piece, turning it once sort of up, and then the top, turning that clockwise like so, and now turn that down, that one side piece down one, and then the top piece needs to go anti-clockwise or counterclockwise as the last of the 4 moves. And you can see there that now I've got white, white there, and red, 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 and blue, and that matches up with the blue piece in the middle. So the next one, let's have a look and see what we've got here. I've got there we go. There we go. So I've got the white, blue, and orange. So that's orange, blue, and then white. So we need to put that up directly above it, but that piece needs to go there to put that piece into place. And so I'll do that move again, which is the right side up, top, clockwise, the right side down one turn, and then the top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. And you can see there that now that piece is there, but it's just not the right way around. So don't worry about that, because all we need to do is just to do that same move again. So the right side up, top clockwise, the right side down, and then the top anti-clockwise. And there's the piece there now. It's actually up in that top piece again. So we need to put it down there. So we just do that move one more time. So the right side up, the top clockwise, the right side down, and then the top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. And now that orange, blue and white piece is in the right way around and in the correct position. So with those that move, then you just keep going, doing those 4 steps as many times as it takes until you get that piece in the right position. Okay, so the next one, here we go. The green, white, and red needs to go down here. White, red, and green. So we put it up there directly above where it's got to go, and we do the, and then I'll do that same move again, which is the right side up, the top clockwise, the right side down, and then the top anti-clockwise. And there it is. It's in the right spot. It just needs to be spun around again. So I'll do that again. Right side up, top clockwise, right side down, and then the top anti-clockwise, and the piece is up there now. So I'll do it one more time. That we need to put it down there again. So just do it one more time, and the right side up, top clockwise, right side down, and top anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. And there we go. That piece now is in position. Red, red, green, green, and the red and the green are there too. And you've got all the whites. And now we just need one more piece to go put into position, which is the white, green, and orange piece. White, green, and orange piece. We put it up there directly above where it's got to go. Okay, same move again. Right side up, top clockwise, right side down, and then the top anti-clockwise. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Now we've got all the white pieces down below. We've got blue, all the blues, red, all the reds, green, all the greens, and orange, all the oranges. So my suggestion is that you master this bottom level before you move on to my next video. But yeah, it's as easy as that. So today we've learned that main sort of move, which is the the right side up, clockwise, right side down, anti-clockwise for the top. And that move, once you've learnt that move you use right through the whole of solving the Rubik's Cube. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.